Beautiful. Let's talk about hair. Gorgeous, healthy hair. Hair fall, frizz, dryness, we've all been there. But trust me, achieving your hair goals is totally possible. You just need the right knowledge and a little bit of love. Throughout this video, I'll be spilling all my secrets. From understanding your unique hair type to the best products and DIY treatments. Whether your hair is straight, wavy, curly, or coily, these tips will work for everyone. Let's get started. Before we dive into the routine, we need to talk about hair types. Just like our skin, our hair is unique. Understanding your hair type is super important because it helps you choose the right products and create a routine that caters specifically to your hair needs. So there are 4 main hair types: straight, wavy, curly, and coily. Straight hair tends to be smooth and can get oily quickly. Curly hair has defined curls and needs that extra moisture boost. Let's talk about washing, shall we? How often you wash your hair really depends on your hair type and lifestyle. But generally, washing your hair 2 to 3 times a week is a good balance. When shampooing, gently massage your scalp. This not only feels amazing, but also boosts blood circulation, which is great for hair growth. And remember, always rinse with cold or lukewarm water. Hot water can dry out your hair, and nobody wants that. Okay, so you've shampooed your hair. Now comes the important part, conditioning. Conditioner is your hair's best friend, especially if you're prone to dryness or frizz. Remember to apply conditioner mainly to the lengths and ends of your hair, avoiding the scalp. If your hair is extra thirsty, indulge in a leave-in conditioner or a hair serum. Chapter 4. Oiling your secret weapon for amazing hair. Different oils have different benefits, so you can pick and choose based on your hair concerns. For intense nourishment and hydration, coconut oil is your go-to. Looking for something to promote hair growth? Castor oil is amazing for that. I recommend applying oil to your hair 1 to 2 times a week, leaving it on for a couple of hours or even overnight, and then washing it out with a gentle shampoo. Chapter 5. Drying and combing without the damage. We've washed, we've conditioned, we've oiled. Now it's time to dry and detangle, but be careful. This is where a lot of damage can happen if we're not gentle. Please, please, please ditch that rough towel drying routine. Instead, gently squeeze out excess water and use a microfiber towel or even a soft cotton t-shirt to absorb the moisture. And when it comes to brushing, always start from the ends and work your way up. Chapter 6. Protecting your precious strands. Our hair goes through a lot, doesn't it? Heat styling, pollution, even just everyday wear and tear can take a toll. If you love your heat styling tools, always use a heat protectant spray before you apply any heat. Getting rid of those split ends every 6 to 8 weeks will make your hair look and feel so much healthier. Chapter 7. Feed your hair from within. True beauty starts from within, right? And that applies to our hair too. What we eat has a huge impact on our hair health. Make sure you're incorporating plenty of protein into your diet. Think eggs, fish, lean meats, nuts, and lentils. And of course, drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep those strands hydrated from the inside out. Chapter 8. DIY hair masks for every hair concern. Who doesn't love a good DIY pamper session? You can create amazing hair masks right at home using simple, natural ingredients. For a hair growth boost, try a mask with aloe vera gel, castor oil, and coconut oil. Apply these masks once or twice a week, depending on your hair needs, and get ready to see some incredible results. There you have it, my complete guide to healthy, strong, and oh so gorgeous hair. Remember, consistency is key. Make these tips a part of your routine, and you'll be amazed by the transformation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty and lifestyle tips. See you in the next one.